Vaho Vaho Gobind Singh, Vaho Vaho Gobind Singh.
One day Guru Gobind Singh was getting on his horse. He asked all his high caliber students were around him and all his soldiers. He said, before I get on the horse, who can tell me the essence of whole Adi Granth? Because Guru Arjan created Adi Granth. Then later, after Guru Gobind Singh, he passed on, he bowed. It was Sri Guru Granth Sahib. He said, who can tell me essence? One man said, O Lord, Ek Ong Kar, Sat Gurprasad Ek Ong Kar. He got on the horse. He said, that's it.